I got 4 hidden gems of spiritual books that will change your life. Gem number 1, Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. You'll learn what your potential is as a spiritual being by reading that book. Gem number 2, Discover the Power Within You by Eric Butterworth. You will gain a deep understanding of what Jesus' teachings were all about, which is not about him, but about you, your divinity. Gem number 3, Untethered Soul by Michael Singer. You want inner transformation? Study that book. Learn it, practice it. And then the 4th hidden gem, Super You by Justin Epstein. You will discover how both East and West are practical and how you can apply them to your life for inner transformation. Enjoy these books. You will really, really benefit.